Welcome to
Welcome
Earth.
to Earth, our home, our legacy. The year is 2015.
2015.
It's a dawn of a new
A dawn
era.
of a new era is here.
A dawn of a new age.
Future without
Without
boundaries.
boundaries. A future
Where everything is possible.
without limits.
Full of mysteries to uncover.
Full of mysteries to uncover. Full of love and wonder. Celebrate, explore, create.
Revoke your limits.
Revoke your limits. Exceed your potential.
To a new step of evolution.
To a new step of evolution. Open your mind and prepare yourself. The future is here. China, India, United States, Indonesia, Brazil, Pakistan, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Russia, Japan, Mexico, Philippines, Vietnam, Ethiopia, Egypt, Germany, Iran, Turkey, France, Thailand, United Kingdom, Italy, South Africa, Burma, South Korea, Colombia, Spain, Argentina, Ukraine, Poland, Iraq, Canada, Saudi Arabia, Peru, Venezuela, Nepal, North Korea, Australia, Taiwan, Syria, Cameroon, Romania,
Netherlands,
Israel, New Zealand, everywhere.
worldwide.
Space exploration, new horizon, new technologies, new solutions. One place, one life, one world. The verge of a new world order. The next level is about to begin.
Is about to begin.
Enjoy the ride of a lifetime.
10,
Live the
9,
moment.
8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year 2016.
2016.
Happy New Year
It's
2016.
2016.
Happy New Year 2016.